Bomb shelter in Nigeria is war coming? No, war is not coming. But there's nothing wrong if you prepare for anything, especially if you have the resources to do so. Today, considering what is going on in the Middle East, it is now coming to my mind as an idea that if we are going to build a duplex or a mansion for you in Nigeria, even a factory for you in Nigeria, what is wrong if we add a bomb shelter in your construction project? And I think it is the right time now that we start considering bomb shelter as an addition to our construction project. Now, if you ask Talent City to build bomb shelter or to add it to your construction project, these are the things we are going to consider in the process. Number one, we are going to look at the threat assessment and the purpose of the shelter. This will enable us to determine why and when and where we need to locate your bomb shelter in your construction project, or if you are building it as a separate project. Number two, we are going to look at the level of occupancy, the number of people that you will love to accommodate in your shelter at once. Especially if it's a private shelter, you need very little resources for that. But if it's a public shelter, then it's another level of discussion entirely. And then number three, we are going to look at the type of shelter. Do you want it to be a suspended shelter, or do you want it on the ground, buried on the ground? We need to determine that because they carry different criteria for design. Number four, geological factor. This gives us information about the type of the soil available to you, the water level. Soil is important because preferably clay soil helps to build a better shelter. Number five is material mechanics. This gives us the integrity of the material we are going to use in your shelter. Number six, life support system. This will also give us information about additional spaces that you might need apart from the level of occupancy that you are looking at. Number seven is the structural engineering factor. Here we are going to consider the exit door, the access door. We are going to consider blast resistance, the depth of your retaining wall. We are going to consider the type of the structure. Maybe it's going to be rectangular or it's going to be a dome kind of shelter. All of this will be considered among other engineering factors like electricity, mechanical engineering, etc. These are the things we are going to consider first in the course of discussion if we are to build a shelter in Nigeria for you. My name is Olatayo Ajiboye. Build smart, build now with Talent City Construction.